So glad you could make it. Welcome to. My name is Renato Escudero, but you can call me Ru. In this class, we'll engage with real-world issues. Our inquiry will be centered around themes of literacy and education, composition, of course, and social justice themes. We will evaluate scholarly texts as well as non-scholarly, non-fiction, and some fiction texts. And my hope is that you learn to integrate multiple perspectives from these texts into your own writing. We'll practice active reading. That is, reading with purpose and action. If you're not familiar with active reading, don't worry. We have a module on it here. We get to engage with exciting texts with our brains and our hearts and our souls. On the program, we have two outstanding books, The Undocumented Americans by Carla Cornejo Villavicencio and Between the World and Me by Ta-Nehisi Coates. There are no tests here. Simply, you're going to be writing essays and you're going to be going through a series of assignments and activities. This course is intensive, so it's going to feel daunting at times. And it's going to require a great time commitment on your part. I won't lie to you. It will take a lot of work. But you will reflect and expand on your writing and reading practices and strategies. So you will become, if you do the work, you will become a better reader, a better writer, and a better thinker. Not only that, but you will be able to understand your own process. The more understanding that you can have about your process as a reader, a writer, a thinker, the more control you can have over these processes. We're going to be writing our essays in multiple drafts. Essay 1 and 2 will be a persuasive essay on the first book and a rhetorical analysis of the two books, for which I will give you strict prompts to follow. But for essays 3 and 4, you will have a wide latitude of choice. With my approval, you will be selecting your own topics, issues that really matter to you, as long as they are real-world issues and have something to do with social justice. Basically, you're going to be writing whatever you want in essays 3 and 4. Of course, they will have structure. Essay 3 is an argumentative paper with research, and Essay 4 is an iSearch paper, which is a kind of research paper, but it's a lot more fun. What I would like you to do now is read the rest of this homepage and follow its instructions. You will find important announcements at the top of this page. So check the homepage each time that you visit our Canvas site. After that, the best way to navigate this course is on the modules page. Other places on Canvas like the dashboard, the to-do list corner, even the calendar will only give you partial information at best. So stay on the modules page. A word about the modules page. The assignments and the modules will build upon each other, so you have to complete the modules sequentially. And don't skip any items in the modules, or you might find yourself lost when trying to write your essays. And please complete the modules on time. You don't want to lag behind, trust me. If you do fall behind, however, on your work, please talk to me, and together we'll come up with a plan for you. But despite what I've said about the workload, this class will be well worth your while. I promise you that. I look forward to working with all of you. And if you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email. So what do you say? Shall we get started? I don't know about you, but I can't wait to start. See you in class.